Back's open, I'm dressed in weird clothes. That can only mean one thing, can't it? That can only mean I'm out in the van with the kayak off the roof. Nearly wasn't. At Hopton, going fishing. Look at that, look at that sea. It's Christmas Eve. Mistletoe and cod. Well, whiting. So anyway, so far there's 3 of us here. There's Bob there. Tony's behind him, there. Mike's late. There's Brian coming. Ben's down there, he's on his boat. So yeah, hopefully it'll be quite cracking. That's Bob. Hello, Bob.
Hiya.
Bob's come down from Blowfield. He's all rigged up. His first one here, super keen.
Yeah,
well done.
super keen.
Super keen. There's Tony, who I haven't seen for many years, who come around my house to return some lures once and said, by the way, here's your 350 quid paddle you left on the beach. Look at that. Oh, I thought I was going to get you in your underpants. Never mind. All ready as well. Look at that. Do you know, I was like, oh, that's the wrong kayak. So I had to pull out again, unstrapped it all, then move, and I'm like, I can't see the kayak. I better not run it over. I thought, it's just still on the roof. I had to pull out again. What a dick. Oh. You nearly did what? Here he comes. Last look. Here we are, at last. There we go. Well, that is that in the hope that one day you might hear your wife say, "Oh, big boy."
No, that's in.
Well, like it's early morning now. There we go. You all feeling happy? You all feeling confident? Good. Well, a little bit tired, but not too bad. Maybe knot and a half. So it's better than expected. It'd be worse if we were down at Links. Obviously, Hopton's a bit more sheltered. We got Tony on the right, Bob on the left. Bob's drifting down a little. I don't know if his anchor's skipping. Tony's pretty static. Position is not quite opposite. It's almost stuff like and I've just been down about a minute and this is my first bite, so see you later. See those feet? Those feet are blocks of ice. It's now 20 past 12. 10 minutes time we're hauling in and going out. Tony's already hauling in. So the rest of us are... And we've got someone now paddling out. Unfortunately, it's rather late. I think I'll just clip him off my bow so he can fish for 10 minutes.
I should have done a lot more practice fishing wise, so I won't pay you
So here we go, just tied him off to my bow, give him a rod, baited up ready, so hopefully he can get himself a whiting. You have a tour on the way in.